When it comes to window replacement, homeowners have a lot of options. But more and more, people are turning to Conway Windows, and it's not hard to see why. With a strong reputation for quality, reliability, and excellent customer service, Conway Windows has become the go-to choice for homeowners who want peace of mind and results they can trust. Trusted local expert. Conway Windows isn't a national chain or a faceless company. They're local, and they understand the unique needs of homeowners in the area. Whether you're dealing with extreme temperatures, high winds, or older homes that need special attention, Conway has the experience to get the job done right. Homeowners appreciate working with a team that knows the local climate and building codes and treats every project like it's their own home. Easy, stress-free process. Replacing windows can feel like a big project, but Conway Windows makes it simple. From the first call to the final installation, they keep everything clear and straightforward. The team walks homeowners through their options, explains the timeline, and offers honest advice with no pressure. Customers often mention how stress-free the process is, from the free estimate to the cleanup after installation. For many people, that level of transparency and communication is what makes Conway stand out. Homeowners don't want to feel like they're guessing their way through a project. Conway keeps them informed every step of the way, so there are no surprises. High-quality materials. Not all windows are created equal. Conway Windows only uses top-quality materials that are built to last. Their products are energy efficient, durable, and stylish, so homeowners don't have to sacrifice looks for performance. Whether someone is replacing a few windows or updating every room, they can expect consistent quality and long-term value. The windows Conway installs are designed to handle wear and tear while improving insulation, which helps lower energy bills. Over time, that can make a noticeable difference in comfort and savings. Skilled, professional installation. Even the best windows won't perform well if they're installed poorly. That's why Conway Windows puts just as much focus on installation as they do on materials. Their installers are experienced, respectful, and detail-oriented. Homeowners often say the crews arrive on time, work efficiently, and leave the home clean and undamaged. It's these small but important details that make a big impression. People remember when contractors treat their home with care, and Conway consistently delivers that level of service. Custom options for every home. Every home is different, and Conway Windows understands that. They offer a wide range of window styles, sizes, and finishes to match any home's design. Whether a homeowner wants something modern, traditional, or somewhere in between, Conway has options to fit. The ability to customize gives homeowners confidence that they're not just getting functional windows, they're getting upgrades that truly enhance their home's look and feel. A company people can count on. At the end of the day, most homeowners just want to know they're working with a company they can trust. Conway Windows has built that trust one project at a time. With strong word of mouth, repeat customers, and glowing reviews, it's clear that homeowners feel confident in their decision to choose Conway. They're not just buying new windows, they're investing in a smoother experience, better home performance, and long-term peace of mind. Final thoughts. Window replacement isn't something people do every day. It's a big decision with real impact on the comfort, efficiency, and value of a home. That's why so many homeowners are choosing Conway Windows. From quality products and expert installation to honest communication and local know-how, Conway continues to raise the bar and win the trust of homeowners throughout the area.